Good afternoon, Colin here with TechOut. Today we're taking a look at the Caseology OnePlus 10 Pro Athlex case, and just got my OnePlus 10 Pro, so looking to put a nice case on it. I got this on Amazon. I think it was actually like 41 or 47% off. So I got it for like $13 or $14, and it was normally I think like 30 something. Plus they had another coupon on top of that. So very nice deal there. I will leave a link in the description where you can pick it up. I don't know if it'll still be on sale or not, but if it is, you can get it. So a little note from Caseology there. Just a little intro. Thing I like about this case is it's got this little like spot right here, which I feel like would be very good for your hand to rest there, which I think is the purpose of it. But very nice rubberized textured case. I want to say it's like a pretty thick case, but I don't mean that in like thick in making your phone big. I just mean like thick as in the rubber is very protective. You know, good drop protection, stuff like that. So this is the gray one. They do have like green and yellow, I think it was. So here's my OnePlus 10 Pro. It does have the OnePlus plastic screen protector on there, and as you can see there, it didn't mess that up or anything. Fit in with no issues. So very nice. Like I said, you got your little spot right here. You can rest your hand, kind of. Your cameras are very protected, recessed in there, and it kind of makes that camera bump look pretty good because you don't have that thing over here to the side. So very nice there. A little bit of a raised edge, but not too much. Cutout up there for your speaker and everything. Port cutout for your USB-C, your microphone and speaker down there. Covered buttons. Have a little like something on the side here, I guess kind of like a grip right here. Maybe that's for maybe if you're like gaming or holding it like that, I guess you could use that like that. But there's little like plastic pieces right here and right here. They don't do anything, but they're, you know, just kind of where you would have your hand. And then we have your slider right here and a covered power button. So that is the Caseology Athlex right there. I think I'm saying that right. Very nice case overall. I will be also checking out the Spigen Ultra Hybrid here shortly, so stay tuned on a video on that one. But right now, I will leave a link down in the description to where you can pick up a Caseology on Amazon for your OnePlus 10 Pro, and they also have them for other devices as well. I'm Colin with TechOut. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.